Hello everyone, I am Kavita Patel. Today we will learn about the Python conditional statement. So what is Python conditional statement? Conditional statement. Okay. What is a conditional statement means? If some condition satisfied, then only we have to get the answer. Okay, means the line of code will execute when the condition is true. The line of code will not be executed when the condition is false. Okay, so there are basically three conditional statements. The first is if statement. The next is if else statement, and the next is nested if else statement. Okay, so in the lecture we will probably complete all three. Okay, so we will start from the first one. So the first is if statement. First I will tell you what is the syntax of if. Syntax according to the Python. So what is the syntax? If expression, give the expression whatever the condition you want to give, then this colon, okay, it gives you the scope of your if. After that write your statement over here. Statement means the body of your loop, body of your if statement. Okay, this delimiters, this indentation is must. Why this is must? Because in a Python we don't have this curly braces to tell the scope of your statements. Okay, scope of your conditions. So we have to give this indentation. Indentation means just give the tab before writing the statements. Okay, so if you want to write some statement outside of this if, so write it here in line with this. So this statement belongs to the if and this statement is outside of if. We'll take an example, I'll tell you. Suppose I want to check the comparison between the two numbers. Okay, consider A is my 5 and B is my 3. I want to compare which is a greater number. Okay, simple program. So I'll write if A is greater than B, print A is larger. Okay, otherwise print exit. Okay, how will execute this program? The output of this program, A value is 5, B value is 3. Okay, if A is greater than B, 5 is greater than B, yes, it is greater. So what will be printed? A is larger. Okay, and after that it will print exit. Okay, this is the first output. Means the statement of the if is executed and after that the out of box of statement if is also executed. Now suppose I have a value of B is 8. I change the value of B to 8. Okay, now I'll compare again. A is greater than B? No, it is not. Okay, so what will happen if the condition is false? It directly come out of the if statement. So what is the output now? The output will be exit. Okay, this simple. So this is all about the if statement, the condition statement if. The second will move to the if else. The second statement is if else statement. Okay, what is the if else statement? If else statement giving you the opportunity to compare, and if the comparison is failed, then what will be next? Okay, so first we will see the syntax. The syntax of this if expression, then give the statement. Again indentation is must. How many number of statement you want to give, can give. Okay, after that else. Okay, this else, then again give the indentation, then statement and whatever number of statement you want to give. Then if you want to print out of the loop something, your condition, then you can print over here. Okay, this is the syntax of your if. So again I am telling this is must, and this indentation is must. Okay, this indentation, this is going to tell you the scope of your if statement. Okay, now we'll take an example, simple example, again the same comparison. If A is my 5 and B is my 8, suppose what will happen? I want the comparison. If A is greater than B, print A is greater, else print B is greater. Okay, and out of the if I want to print just exit. Okay, what will be the output for this? The output for this, A is my 5, B is my 3. So A is greater than B, 5 is greater than B? No. Then this will be skipped and the next else part will be execute, because the condition is not true. If the condition is false, the else part is going to be execute. The else part is saying print B is greater. So B is greater is printed. Okay, after that this statement is completed. There is a no more statement. It will come outside and has the universal statement that is telling a exit. Okay, so this is the output. Now suppose my value is changed to 15. Okay, what will happen now? If A is greater than B, means 15 is greater than B. Yes, it is greater than. Then it won't go for the else part. It just execute this statement like A is greater and it comes outside of this. In this condition, this else part will not get executed because the condition is true. If the condition is true, then if part is going to be execute. Okay, this is the way. Now we'll next move to the nested if. Okay, what is nested if? Nested if means if inside if. If inside if. So we already know what is if, what is if else. Now the third is nested if. Nested if statement. Okay, I'll tell you first the syntax of this, then we'll take an example. So nested if expression, if the expression is true, then execute the statement, else. Okay, suppose inside the else I have another if. Okay, else, again check another expression. Okay, if this statement is true, then execute this statement, else. Now this if and else are of same category and this is this one. So this if is my nested if inside the this. If you want to compare, this is a one type of this what you say expression. I'll write the another syntax. Okay, because it is a nested if, so you can say if expression, then before, suppose I want to print any statement, if there are any, or I have another if to check. Getting my point? After checking one statement, you want to check another statement immediately. Then you can go like this and print this statement, or if you have an else part, go with this statement, or so this if and else are same, and for this if suppose there is another statement else, then it is a else part. Okay, now I'll take an example and I'll tell you both the cases. Okay, so suppose I have 3 variables, A is my 5, B is my 6 and C is my 7. Okay, I want to compare all three variables, which is the larger one. How we'll check? We'll go if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, then just simply print A is greater. Okay? Otherwise, if B is greater than A and B is greater than C, print B is greater. Okay? Now for this if I don't have any else. Okay? So I'll just write else, or if you want to give else inside this, then it's also okay. Else print C is greater. Because if A is not greater, B is not greater, then of course C is the largest number. Okay? So this way. Or if you want to write in this way, how you will write the same code? Else if this and this, then this. Okay? So difference is like that. If nested if inside if. Okay, if you have a lot of comparison which depends on one another, you can use the nested if. After nested if, one more is the derived one, if condition, else if. What is else if? Just this is not a type of a conditional statement, just it's a derived form. Okay, so what is the else if? If statement, okay, so if expression, if the expression is true, execute the statement. If you have another expression to check, then we are giving else if. Okay, what is the else if? Else if again telling you to check for the expression and execute your statement. Okay, then your last one is else part and execute the statement. How? We'll take the same example and I'll show you. We have a 3 number, A is 5, B is 6 and C is 7. If A is greater than B and A is greater than C, this way. So else, not write full, only L if B is greater than B is greater than A and B is greater than C. Print B is greater, else print C is greater. Okay, so what will be the output for this? Any guess? Now we'll check. If A is greater, 5 is greater than B? No. False. For this I'll get the false. A is greater than C? No. I'll get the false. It will go in the next situation. B is greater than A? No. It's false. Yes, sorry. B is greater than A. It's true. And B is greater than C? No, false. If true and false, then in the AND condition, output will be false. And here also output will be false. So the last situation is left, that is print C. C is greater. So it will get printed C is greater. Okay. This is all about your if conditions. I hope you understand and you enjoyed my session. For the continue, please watch again. Thank you.